Guys, Ann here with Organically Ann, and welcome to my channel. I'm an urban homesteader in Southern California. I'd like to invite you on this journey that my family is having on our half-acre urban homestead. Our goal is to grow our own food because organic is very important to us. To incorporate a lot of native plants that are edible and can be foraged along the way. I hope to encourage you with wonderful garden tips that pertain specifically to a hotter climate. I look forward to sharing herbal medicine recipes that I find special to me. I love a plethora of herbs. There's not a plant that I haven't met yet that I haven't wanted to find out what their medicinal properties are. If you are a gardener from the heart but haven't yet dug into the dirt, so to speak, because you feel that you kill everything you plant, well, I'm here to encourage you. There's not a moment that I don't learn from the garden, different struggles that I am going through, and suddenly I'll be out there. It's kind of my therapy time to be in the garden, and I will be like, huh, now I get it. The analogies, the proverbs of the farmer, and you know, you've got to till your soil, you've got to amend it, you've got to get it ready, then you plant your seed and you don't have fruit immediately. You've got to tend this baby plant through month after month of the summer to yield forth the harvest that you had waited for. So that's life. Life's the same way. You got to dig down in the dirt, tend your field in order to reap a bountiful harvest.